I have already created my perfect candidate profile in TRAFFIT, and I'm gathering the exact information I need. Now I will show you how this affects the application forms, which are also DIY. Let's assume I'm looking for a salesperson. I'm creating the application form, choosing which fields from the candidate profile I want to ask about in the application form. I'll start with the standard ones: first name, last name, email, and phone number. Now I can enrich my application form with some custom fields. I can choose from all the variety of fields available in my candidate profile. I decided to ask for the knowledge of CRMs, it's a multiple choice field, and starting date of current job. The second field will be a non-required field, so that those who are currently actively looking for work do not feel excluded. Now, let's say I'm starting a second recruitment for customer success team. I'll start with some default fields again, like first name, last name, email, and phone number. I will enrich this one with a question about language skills. This is a drop-down one-choice list. The options selected by the candidate in the application form will be saved on the profile after the application.